Hi, I'm Ashwin. I spent the last 6 months talking to parents of children who wander, and they've all described the same feeling. That one moment when you turn around and your heart stops. I couldn't stop thinking about it. So I decided to build something for them. This is StepSafe Kids.
Nearly half of children with autism have been reported to wander from safety. When this happens, every second matters. But many existing tools either cost families too much or depend on other phones being nearby.
StepSafe Kids is a cellular GPS tracker built for families managing wandering. It uses a cellular connection,
So it can report its location anywhere. It has supported coverage, not only when another phone is nearby. Through the StepSafe platform, parents will be able to view their child's tracker location, create safe zones around places like home or school, and receive an alert when the tracker leaves one. It clips securely to clothing or a backpack, attaches to a lanyard, or tucks discreetly into a pocket.
We built StepSafe Kids around one belief.
Your child's location is yours and no one else's. We do not sell your data, we don't share it, and only you can decide who can see where your child is.
And because the microphone is permanently disabled,
There's no listening in, which means schools can send it to class without objection, unlike trackers that can record.
on Kickstarter, backers get our founder's price.
About $99 for the device, plus $9.99 a month, or about $249 for Lifetime Pro with no monthly fee ever.
And the hardware is real. It's FCC and CE certified already, and it's built by an experienced manufacturer who ships over 1 million devices each year. We already have the device. Now, we need your help bringing it to the families it was made for. If your child has ever wandered, or if you've ever experienced this moment, this is for you. Knowing where your child is shouldn't be a luxury. Back StepSafe Kids and help us bring it to every family that needs it. StepSafe Kids. Peace of mind every step of the way.